Have you ever tried transferring a huge video from your phone to your computer and ended up frustrated? Maybe you recorded an amazing PUBG mobile match, a Call of Duty mobile highlight, or a 4K video, but the file was simply too large to send through WhatsApp, email, or Bluetooth. Using a USB cable can be inconvenient, and uploading everything to cloud storage takes forever while consuming your internet. The good news is that there's a much faster and easier solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer large files instantly between your phone and your computer using a completely free app called LocalSend. It works with Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And the best part is that your files are transferred in their original quality without cables, cloud storage, or file size limits. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your phone and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because LocalSend uses your local network to detect nearby devices and transfer files at incredibly fast speeds. Once both devices are connected, grab your phone and install the LocalSend app. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store, search for LocalSend, and tap Install. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the App Store, search for LocalSend, and install it from there. The installation only takes a few moments, and once it's finished, you're ready for the next step. Now switch over to your computer and open your preferred web browser. Search for LocalSend and visit the official website. Download the version that matches your operating system. In this tutorial, I'm using Windows. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Once the installation finishes, launch LocalSend and leave it open because your computer is now ready to receive files. Next, go back to your phone and open the LocalSend app. At the top of the screen, you'll see different categories such as files, media, and more. If you're transferring videos or photos, tap Media. If you're sending documents, zip files, or any other type of file, tap Files instead. Select everything you want to transfer and then tap Confirm. Within a few seconds, your computer should automatically appear in the list of nearby devices. Simply tap your computer's name, and your files will immediately begin transferring wirelessly. As soon as you send the files, look at your computer. A notification will appear asking whether you'd like to receive the incoming files. Click Accept, and the transfer will start instantly. Depending on the size of your files and the speed of your Wi-Fi network, the transfer is usually much faster than Bluetooth or uploading files to cloud storage. When the transfer finishes, click Done. Then open your Downloads folder to find all of your transferred files. Everything will be there in its original quality with no compression, no missing data, and no reduction in resolution. Whether you're moving gameplay recordings, 4K videos, photos, or important documents, LocalSend keeps every file exactly as it was. And that's all there is to it. From now on, you can stop relying on USB cables, avoid painfully slow Bluetooth transfers, and forget waiting for cloud uploads to finish. LocalSend makes transferring large files between your devices incredibly fast, secure, and completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more tech tutorials, gaming tips, and useful apps that make your digital life easier. If you have any questions or run into any issues while using LocalSend, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.